siya kasama ang pamilya ko. But then, it grew into something more beautiful. Helping people and inspiring people. I wanted to use my platform to share happiness. Dahil ang daming nangyayari sa mundo natin. And also, to share my blessings. And maraming salamat. Hindi rin to mabubuo without my family, my team, my mom, Mona. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Of course, my brother and sister. And especially Kuya Perry. Kasi siya yung nagtiwala sa akin from before. So thank you so much to my PPL family, my glam team, of course, and Jo Marie, my editing team. Maraming salamat. Napakaliit lang po ng team namin kasi very hands-on talaga ako sa bawat content na nilalabas namin. So thank you again sa Thomas. Maraming sa award. I actually want to share this with also my co-nominees dahil napakaganda talaga ng mga ginagawa din nila. And again, with everything that's happening in this world, I think it's very important na nag-share tayo ng positive contents and tumutulong tayo sa ating mga kababayan because diba, sino pa ba magtutulungan kundi tayo lang. So, maraming salamat ulit sa Thomas. Thank you so much. God bless everyone.